All right, today I'm taking a look at the AUVON blood glucose monitoring system. And I do like that they have this security seal on here so that you know if this thing's been opened before. Okay, so we have 2 bottles of the test strips, so that's nice. A package of lancets. Got the lancer. Nice silk pouch. This is the measuring tool. So nice and simple. There's just one button on the bottom and the battery. Yeah, just a little coin cell battery. All right. Now we have a second pack of these lancets. So that's nice. We got a ton of them. And then we got all of our instructions. It does come with a self-test diary, so if we want to, we can keep a record of everything we got. And we got the user manual. And I've already used one of these, so I already know what to do. Essentially, we are going to take out our lancer. Right here, we can set the depth. You can see we got our pointer right here. So if you got thick skin, you might want to set it to a 5. If you got thinner skin, you can set it lower than that. And to put the lancet in, we're just going to twist the head off. And the lancet comes in a little package like that. We're just going to push that in here. And then twist the head off. And there is the needle. So carefully put the cap back on. Pull this back. So now this is ready. So now I will take one of the testing strips. You want to make sure you got clean hands whenever you're doing this. And we're going to put this strip in the top. So it'll automatically turn on when it sees it. Put the lance against your finger and pull the trigger. There you go. It just feels like a little pinch. And then kind of squeeze your finger, get a little blood out. And we don't want to put it on the front, we want to put it on the top. There we go. And 114. So there you go. Nice and quick, real easy to use. Basically does everything for you. So now we just pull this guy out. It'll shut off and it's ready to use next time. So what makes this one stand out is it has a ton of extra strips and lancets. So you'll be able to use this thing for quite a while without having to get anything else. So it's an excellent little meter.